The irregular migration and illegal repatriation of Pakistani nationals has contributed to the tarnished international image of Pakistan to a greater extent. And in this particular regard, the current government of Pakistan in general and the Ministry of Interior of Pakistan in particular has always shown a zero tolerance policy towards the irregular and illegal migration of Pakistani nationals. In this particular regard, the authorities had also offloaded more than 80,000 Pakistani nationals and furthermore regulated them with pre-departure screenings. But on the other hand, the Ministry of Interior under the current government of Pakistan had also taken steps and measures to strengthen their relationships with other countries so that the irregular migration shall be eradicated, so that the drug trafficking shall also be addressed. With these dynamics in hand, the Interior Minister of Pakistan had attended a summit of Ministers of Interior and National Security that took place in Kyrgyzstan under the umbrella of Shanghai Cooperation Organization, where he most importantly met with his counterpart from Russia and had signed a couple of agreements in order to eradicate the irregular and illegal repatriation of citizens, and also to facilitate the deportation and repatriation of the citizens who are presiding illegally in either of the country. Moreover, the Interior Minister of Pakistan had arranged special meetings on the sidelines of the summit where he had met his counterparts or the other interior ministers from the Central Asian countries, mainly including the interior ministers from Tajikistan, Uzbekistan, Kyrgyzstan, and Kazakhstan. The ultimate purpose of the Interior Minister of Pakistan of arranging such special meetings on the sidelines of the Shanghai Cooperation Organization was firstly to facilitate the repatriation of the illegal residents that are residing in either of the country, then to ensure a proper addressal on the menace of the drug trafficking that has plagued the societies of either country, and ultimately and finally to rejuvenate and revive the tarnished international image of Pakistan in this particular regard. Thank you.